Hi guys! This week has been kind of the winter break in my girl's nursery. And as it's cold outside and I'm definitely lazy, we had stayed 3 days at home already. And finally, I can't stand the boredom anymore, playing with my girl's toys at home. So, I decided to visit a kids cafe near my house. So this episode is about a day in the kids cafe here in Korea, and today's expression is 껌딱지. 껌딱지.
Hello, I'm Boli and it's Boli's Korean.
By the time we got into this kids cafe, there was a photo taking event with the sausage. Do you know him? He is the most well-known and popular character among children. But as you see, my girl is so cool. I guess she's the only one here who doesn't care about that popular sausage. Oops, watch out! Kids really don't look around and only focus on where they need to go, right?
She's quite obsessive with her mom, who is me these days. She follows me wherever I go and wants me to do everything together. So I ran away on purpose so that she can follow me and gets to know how to enjoy this place.
Yeah, well done, honey! Oh my gosh, what's that? A lovely dinosaur is chasing after the baby, maybe as her lunch. Run!
We moved somewhere else now. This time again, I should let her know how to enjoy this place.
Ready, set, go! Yay! It's so much fun to slide like this. As my instruction was super practical, the baby follows right behind me now, even if she's a bit scared. Look what we are doing. I guess it's really the time to talk about today's expression, which is 껌딱지. Do you know what a 껌딱지 is? 껌딱지 is literally this and this. The gum stuck on the streets or somewhere. We all know that removing gum isn't really easy, right? Babies and kids stick to their parents like this and don't want to be separated probably for all day long. So here in Korea, when we say 껌딱지, it also indicates those kids sticking to their parents. How do you think about it? Does she look like a 껌딱지 even to you? Definitely she is. So here I go with my 껌딱지. When you have your own 껌딱지, it's physically so tiring. Well, actually exhausting because you need to hug, hold, and carry her or him all day long, every day. But if the 껌딱지 is super adorable like this, who can resist not to serve as the 껌딱지 holder? So, this is our ordinary day in a kids cafe in Korea. And if you're also interested in baby cafes, not kids cafes in Korea, which is similar but for younger toddlers, please follow the link above and enjoy. Thank you always for watching this video. Have a joyful day. Bye!